I'm going to show you guys how to make a little fireworks show that you can show your friends. So what you're going to need is 3 dispensers and some redstone and some redstone repeaters and 3 stacks of fireworks. And now you want to break one, and then push one apart like this. Then you want to make it go up, up, and up. Oh, that one's down. Up. Then you want to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you want to connect them. Then you want to break this one. Put out the redstone repeater. Then you can set it. Then you can set it to a random tick. I'm gonna do that one on max, and I'm gonna do this one on almost max, and I'm gonna keep this one the same. And then you wanna put this firework in that, and this firework in that one, and this firework in that one. Then you want to get some blocks and a button. And then you want to place a block right here, then place a button and click it. And then you can show your friends a little fireworks show. Thank you for watching and bye.